Hi everyone, let's quickly see how you can create a form or a survey using BreezyBit in your org, in your Salesforce org with a single object. So I'm here in my BreezyBit Form Builder application. As you see, there is a nice list view here with all the forms and surveys that I have with their URLs, QR codes, if they have any activation expiration dates. What I need to do to create a new form record, I simply need to click New button here, and it will ask me what is the name of my form. Let's say I want to make this Hakan test form, and if you want you can add a description, of course, and add primary object. In my case, I will have just one primary object and only one object for this form, because we are creating the form with a single object. Let's say it's going to be account. I just say add object. My object is added. I have my name here too. I just need to say save and build. And my form record is created with a unique URL with a QR code too. I just need to go to the form builder. And on the left side, as you see, account is the object I selected. And I have form elements. I have the settings on the right side, but I'm just going to show you how you can create a form with a single object, right? So account is my object. Account name is a required field. And let's say I need to add a couple of more fields really quickly, just as an example to show you how things work here. So let's say I added those fields on my form. And the beauty of this is, since everything is working, BreezyBit is working 100% natively in your org, you don't need to do any field mappings. It's already connected to the fields that you have in your backend. You don't need to even publish anything, actually. If you just save this form, it's ready to share with your customers. You can just go to the form. As you see, it's ready. And if I want to just see how it works, let's say Hakan test account, I want to call this. An account site is tests, account source something, type is another thing, active or not, hi. So if I just do the submission really quickly, it's completed. It gave me my message. And if I go to accounts right now, as you see, it's not here. If I just refresh my page, Hakan test account is gonna be right there. So as you see, it's this easy, this quick to create a form with a single object, and when you do the submission, it will basically create a new record of that object for you in your org. So all of your data is going to be stored right away in your Salesforce org. So this is how it works. I wanted to share this with you. So I'm going to create another video showing you how you can create a form or a survey using multiple objects next. So see you in the next video. Bye.